Cut out your holiday light bulb. Cut carefully around the white paper. Don't trim it too tight. We want every bit of that bulb to show. So cut away all the white paper. Trim carefully. Cutting away just the white paper. Flip your paper over and make sure you can see your name and the teacher code so that I'll know who to give this holiday light bulb back to before you go home for the winter break. Make sure I can read it too. I have a sparkle center where you're going to come and add a splash of sparkle. Depending on what color you painted your holiday light bulb, you'll take a little bit of its glitter watercolor and just go back around a couple of spots, highlighting it. Do not paint the whole thing, just put a couple of highlights on it to make it shine. Put a paper clip on the end and put it onto your cardboard right near your desk and let it dry. We'll hang it up in a few minutes.